Outsy the igloo, Inky the insect, and Icy the ice cube. They all start with the letter I.
Hello, friends! Are you ready to learn? Today, we will learn about the letter I.
This is the big I and the little I. I is for igloo. Look at the incredible igloo! I is also for ice.
Wow, what a wonderful piece of ice! And I is for insect.
What an interesting little insect.
Igloo, ice, insect. Great job! Igloo, ice, insect. Great job!
Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you soon! Bye-bye! Ta-ta for now!